In this quick guide, we'll be going through Take Up Arms. Tier 1, we'll need to purchase a primary weapon from a mystery box and kill 50 zombies with the mystery box weapon. If we simply zoom into a map, such as over here, you can see this icon. This is a mystery box. Simply mark the one closest to you and head directly towards it. Hopefully it's far enough away that you can get enough cash to open it up. When you find it, hit F to open it for $9.50. It'll tick through a bunch of weapons until it eventually drops you one. If you don't like what you get, you can of course more than likely simply buy another one and try again. Sweet. The Scorcher. Perfect. Well, actually, maybe not perfect. This thing is obviously slow firing, so it's going to take me a while to get through 50. I think I'll probably maybe have to drop it for a different weapon, but this is a pretty cool drop to get, not gonna lie. I suppose it's not too slow. We're at 9 out of 50 anyways. Yeah, there we go. A lot quicker. Anyways, there we go. We've now finished the mission. It's super easy to do, though it takes a little bit of time. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.